Hi everyone, good evening. We'll wait for a few more minutes until others join and then we'll start the demonstration. Hello, good evening once again. Good evening. Am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Can anybody say? Sadhana? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Sadhana, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, fine. So Sadhana is a senior data entry operator. She joined last batch. So she's a BTech student and she'll be demonstrating for us the Prepido. It's a site. She'll screen share and show you. Okay. Yes, Sadhana. You can start. Yeah.
Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you guys are safe and fine. So I'll be showing you a quick demonstration about the work that you guys will be doing. Uh, Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, it
it's
is.
This is basically the website that you will be logging in, and you'll be provided with the username and password. Um, so I'm just logging in now. This is the dashboard that will be given to you, and to the left side you could see the add question option and the approval of the questions, reject list and approval list. So first we'll be doing the add question option. Here you can see the file name that you will be following. The file and the link for the file and the question number will also be given, and you will be entering the question that is only provided to you. So here, if I click on this document, you can see the drive link, and then you can download it. So here, until it's getting downloaded, we'll go through this. The concept that you'll be selecting is the concept that is given there. Module, you don't need to select, and all these
Just a second, Sadhana. 1 second. Okay. What she mean is concept you will see with number. You don't need to fill anything more. It just scroll down, Sadhana. Scroll up the concept. Yeah. Click the concept. Yeah. See, it shows different things, right? You don't need to select anything else. You will see concept and a number. You will only have to click that. Okay. Yeah. You can go to module.
Yes, ma'am. The course, grade, subject, chapter, and all will be already filled in the portal. You need to select only the concept. And then coming to the question, so I think it will be downloaded. Yeah, now it's open. So the question number given here is 39. So you go to the document that is given to you, and then you search for question number 39. So here is the question. You need to just simply copy the question, Control C, and then go to the dashboard and press Control Shift V. You need to enter Control Shift V and not Control V, because the font and the size will be consistent only if you press Shift. So here we have a variable. You need to use the math tool, which is given here, for the variables, equations, and other maths related things. So here D is a variable. So we use the math tool to type the variable, and you need to add /rm so that it is entered in Roman font.
Okay. Sadhana,
Similarly,
1 second. Okay, everything you will get the manual and everything. Okay, and also you'll get a full support. You will be added to the group, and you will get a full support until you get it cleared. Okay, scroll up, Sadhana. Just a second. Can I see the question? If you, yeah, see, this is here. The number 39 is given. That's why she have selected the question and have pasted here. Okay, yeah, you go ahead, Sadhana.
Yes, ma'am. Then of side, this is side item. All these spelling errors you can correct if you're sure. L will be entered in Roman. For entering it in Roman, you'll use /rn. Then density row. For this, you'll follow the same method. Yeah, now I think all the variables and equations are edited using the math tool. Then you simply select it and then put it in paragraph justify format so that it's neatly aligned. And then question type, you'll choose as multiple choice with single answer, because in this document, all the questions will be given are multiple choice questions, MCQs, and only a single answer will be correct. Difficulty level, you don't need to choose, and repeated previous year will be selected as no. It is constant for everything. And then the source is the file ID, test ID, which is given here, and then the question number, which will be separated using a comma. So here you will be entering it as 66, 33, and then 39. So options. Now you need to enter the options which are separately given here. You need to just copy and then Control Shift V here, or else you can directly paste it in the math tool and edit it accordingly. So these formulae and the text that we'll be using will be given in the guidelines. It will be provided to you sooner. So I'm typing it in Roman, so I'm using \rn. And for square root, you'll be using sqrt function. And then embrace it with colon. So here for the division symbol, you'll be using dfrac. Yeah, you can remove the extra braces if you want. Yeah, so now it is edited using the math tool, and then you press OK and it gets entered. And don't forget to convert it into Roman. It is very important. Then the next option. To make these brackets longer, you can use the left and right text here. /left and /right.
Sadhana, rest of the thing, the right and left, all are given in the manual exactly, right?
Yes, now it's provided. Then you need to select the distraction value, which will have the range from 0 to 100, but you will be choosing only the correct option, which should be 0. The distraction value for each correct option is 0. So for this question, if you give find next, it will show the solution. Yeah. So here you'll have the answer key. For 39, B is the correct option. So you will go to option 2 and then select the distraction value as 0. For other questions, the distraction value will be 100 because each question will have only a single
Right,
correct.
I was there. Okay.
Then for the solution, mm, 39th question. So here is the solution. You can copy everything, Control C, and then directly give Control Shift V here. Remember to use the Shift also. So here, similarly, we have variables. So Control C, and then using the math tool, we'll type it in Roman. Equal symbol for this one. So if you directly copy and paste it in the math tool itself, it will give you the alignment properly. And the only thing that you need to do is put it in Roman. And then for the square root functions, fraction functions and all, you need to give the text that is given in the guidelines. Make sure that you don't leave any spaces in between. This also we need to edit using the math tool. SHM is a short abbreviation, so we need to put it also in math tool. Okay. Now here we have an image. So for pasting the images, there will be a transparent image tool which will be. Fatima ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am. Okay, I think she's not ready. So this image tool has to be copied using Control C, and then there will be tool which will be given to you. This is the link for that image tool. So here you can paste it using Control V, and then here you get the transparent PNG. So you can save it and it will download. After downloading, you can insert the image here. You can give choose a file option and select this. It's showing some error. Okay, that the steps for that will also be given the guidelines. Otherwise, you can directly paste the image like this. If you want a transparent image, you can use that tool. Otherwise, you can directly paste it. So next here also, after the image, you also have there. You can copy and then directly put Control Shift V. All these equations has to be edited using the math tool /rm. Here we have the square root function sqrt. So these set of functions will be provided you in the guidelines. You don't need to worry about that.
Sadhana, one more thing. The
Yes.
image should be transparent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes,
not, it won't. Yeah.
I don't know what error is showing there. I have to check it.
Because it should be transparent.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sachin, you can just save. Yeah.
Now we've inserted the solution also. So I think that's all probably we have to do in this. And then you give the save button. After saving, you can see the question in the pending approval list, the list of questions that need to be approved for you. And then the questions rejected due to some errors in it will be then the reject list. And if you click this reject history option, you'll see the reason for which your question has been rejected. And then if you press this edit option, you can go to the field in which the edit has to be needed. And then you can again give update so that it goes back into the pending approval. And then in the approval list, you can see the questions that has been approved by them. So that's all is the work that has to be needed. Yes, ma'am. Fatima, ma'am. I think it's for you. Fatima, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. I've shown the demonstration.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So, everyone, let me tell you one more thing. This is physics. There are different, what to say, subjects. So, in case if you're not okay with, I'm not very sure if everyone has the physics subject. If you feel like it's difficult in the beginning stage only, you might feel it little complicated. But then once you start putting up in the system, it will be fine. Okay. Just a second. Yeah. So So that's the thing. Now we will see. I'm not very sure if it will be the subject maths or physics or bio. Bio might not have any equations, but I'm not sure if they have opened it for bio. Anyhow, you will get the manual, and you will get this demo video also, and you will be added to the group. So then you can even ask any queries that you have. Okay. And one more thing, you have to make sure you do it like you have 100 entries. That's when you can, we will be giving you a form where you'll have to fill up for the payment. So that's how it goes. If it is less than 100, you'll have to wait until it is 100. Then only you can, what to say, put in the form. Okay. Now I'll just share a form for you. If you're interested now, I need you to fill this form. Just a second. Okay. Anyhow, I'll just share it to you. Just a second. Okay. If you have any queries, you can check with me. Okay. Yes. Hello, Pawan. Tell me.
Yeah, are you going to share the video, right?
Yeah, we will share this video. We'll share also the manual and all. You will get the instructions and guidelines. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. I'll just share a form and then. Okay. Okay, I have shared it in the inbox, sorry, chat box. Fill this form and then we'll put you into the group. Okay. Once you fill this form only, I'll come to know that you are okay with this data entry work and you're interested. Okay. Then I'll wind up the session. Okay. Then goodbye. Did you all get the form?
Yes.
Yes. How about others? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Bishop. Thank you, Nitu, everyone.
Okay.
Thank you. And goodbye.
Thank you.